Hey guys, it's Caleb at Tecton. Today I'm going to show you how to install a top on your stacking drawer rack. Note that this top is only designed for use with the stacking drawer rack, and it is a permanent installation. There are 8 clips on the underside of the top, 4 on each side, that click permanently into place on the rack. Now it is possible to install this backwards, so you'll want to make sure to set it on top of the rack with the handle facing you and the Tecton logo facing away from you when you're standing in front of the drawers. Make sure it's flush on both sides and that your gap is even all the way across. Now we're ready to press it down. Start with the middle clips, placing your hands here and apply firm pressure downwards to click it into place. And then you may need to work to the back and the front as well, and ensure it's all the way down by making sure your gap here is taken up on both sides, and you will have a slight gap here above the middle clips. Now if it needs a little more persuasion, you can grab a small soft face dead blow hammer and tap gently above each clip location to get the top down into place. And that's how you install the top on a stacking drawer rack.